Hello friends, how are you? Welcome again on my channel that is called myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. So friends, very first I will say stay home, stay safe and do coding because coding is the best. So friends, in this working video I'm going to tell you how we can easily make different menus for different type of users. Logged in and non-logged in. So friends, now I am logged in with admin and I will copy this link and open in Chrome private and here I am without cloud. So friends, this is my top menu here also. So friends, now I will make two different menu. First, here first you need to go to appearance and here is menus. And friends, here you can see the link create new menu. Click on it and menu name. I will name it log in. Create menu. So friend, now I am done with login menu. So friends, now I will make new custom link test log in menu. Here will be hash. And friends, I am just making this for showing you working example. And I will add one more link movies. Add to menu. So friends, here I have added two menus in logged in menu. Logged in menu and movies and save it. So friends, now I have saved it logged in menu and now I need to show those two menus here. For this I will make the simple code. So friends, here is our navigation code. Now I will add the PHP code for login. PHP if is user logged in. Curly bracket start and here I will make PHP curly bracket close. So friends, here I have made the function for logged in user and here is my menu code. So friends, to show the logged in menu, this menu, I just enter the array and make new key menu and set the value is equal to our menu name. Our menu name is logged in and save it. Now I will refresh my page. Something, oops, I missed the comma and save it and refresh it. So see friends, logged in menu and movies. So friends, now I am open my second window and check here. So friends, see here menus gone because I am not logged in here. So friends, now I will make new menu for non-logged in users. Go to appearance menu section and here create a new menu non-logged in. Create menu friends. Again I will make these login, add to menu, and also I will take movies and add to menu, and I will save it. So friends, now I will make the code for non-logged in users. Curly bracket begin and curly bracket close. Here I will copy this code and paste here, and my non-logged in menu name will be here, and save it. So friends, now I'm going to refresh page. So see friends, please log in and movies. So friends, have you seen for logged in users? Friends, I wait. I will copy this code, copy, and for non-logged in here will be this sign, and in the end curly bracket close. So see friends, here I am without login, and here I am with login. So friends, have you seen? It's very simple. Here are our menus name, logged in and non-logged in. We can select, we will show our different menus, logged in and non-logged in menus. So friends, have you seen? It's very simple. And here is our non-logged in user menu, and here is our logged in user menu. So friends, it's very simple. So friends, I will also share the code snippet link inside the video description, and you can get the code easily. So friends, if you still have any kind of query, suggestion or new requirement, then you can comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. So friends, I must say, please subscribe my channel and please support me. So friends, if you like this video, also please click on like button as well. So thank you friends for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care and do coding.